Okay. Dee Dee's opening her present. You gotta pull it off. There you go. Need help? You got it. You need help? Let me cut that all the way through to that. There you go. Be careful with it. Yep, that's just packaging. Throw it to the side. Good job. Be careful and open it. Flip it over and rip it. See that? You gotta rip it. There you go. This is from Uncle Jim and Uncle Jason and Aunt Kim. What is it? What's on it? Open it up. Is it a hippo? Lots of hippos. It's shirt and pants, Dee Dee. Yep, you can open the next one. Yeah, another hippo. Good job. Good girl. There's more. Look, there's more. Be careful with them. Good job.
Big one.
Is that a big one? What is that? What is on it? Aiden, but what is it? Who's on there? No, look at it. Who is that? Is it Minnie? And Donald and Mickey? Good job. Look at that. They're movies that Dee Dee can watch. What is it? Dee Dee's gonna read it? Can you say thank you? Thank you, Kim? And Jason. Say Jason.